Hi, my name is Marcus Andrews. As the General Manager of Lee Johnson Chevrolet, we'd like to thank you and congratulate you on your purchase of your new vehicle and welcome you to our auto family. Here at Lee Johnson, one of the things we're most proud of is the service we provide after the sale. We look forward to taking care of you and your vehicle for routine maintenance, tire needs, recalls, and even major repair work. Let me take a second to introduce you to our service department. We're open to serve you Monday through Saturday. We have a highly skilled and experienced team of General Motors factory-trained technicians, including master techs, as well as techs certified in diesel engines, Corvettes, and EVs. We use OEM parts to ensure compatibility and the highest quality. We also have knowledgeable and friendly service advisors to keep you informed about your vehicle, answer any questions you may have. We are happy to communicate via text if you prefer. Your advisor will also make sure you have a clear understanding of your multi-point inspection and the current health of your vehicle. If you choose to wait while we work on your vehicle, we invite you to visit our on-site cafe. There are a variety of hot and cold beverages and snacks available for purchase. We also have a comfortable customer lounge with workstations, TV, and free Wi-Fi. The easiest way to schedule an appointment is online at leejohnsonchevrolet.com. Click on the Service tab and you'll see Service Scheduling Tool. We also have an on-site quick lube, no appointment necessary. We will wash and vacuum every vehicle that comes through our service drive. Thank you again for choosing Lee Johnson Chevrolet. We appreciate your business and look forward to serving you for many years ahead.
Lee Johnson